What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to talk about a brand new token that is only 10 years old. Now, remember, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And a huge shout out to this community because they did a really good job getting my attention on this new token, just like Shiba Inu did way back in the in the spring of 2021. The same things are happening now, where it's really catching my eye with the social media presence that this token has. And as I've said time and time again, tokens that do and tend to do really, really well in the space are community-driven assets. Between summer of last year and now, the most gains that are made in the market are oftentimes seen within the community-driven space, or what other people might call meme tokens. But in my opinion, these are definitely the protocols and the tokens that are yielding the best returns. So we're going to talk about BOBATAMA token, which I'm really, really excited to be covering today. So let's go ahead and dive in. But first and foremost, the question becomes how? How did I find out about BOBATAMA? Well, they approached me and asked, would you be willing to give us some airtime? And so I was like, you know what? I have a streaming channel off the chain right here. And yesterday they sponsored our streams. So again, we were like, of course, come on. And we let projects, by the way, sponsor our streams. We do giveaways at the end of each stream. Well, following the stream, I started thinking to myself, this project is actually really, really good. Matt, who is the founder and the owner of BOBATAMA, came on, no question, camera on, fully doxed, and I was like, hold up, you're doxing at this early of a stage? Now I'm more interested. So again, we had our discussion, had them on the Off the Chain channel, which we always tend to do with, again, we're not very selective when it comes to projects on that platform because we like to do giveaways. So again, it was them just getting airtime. Well, their token started going parabolic and I was like, man, this is a token that I think I need to cover on my main channel as well. So again, a huge shout out to them for sponsoring yesterday's stream and of course, also sponsoring today's video. So before we dive in, guys, I want to look at the chart because the chart is absolutely insane. It's up 89% in the last 24 hours with a $1.5 million in volume. These individuals, the guys behind the token and gals, are doing some exceptional things, guys. And we're going to talk about them. But the first thing you got to look at is how bullish this chart looks. It consolidated for about 2 days, 3 days, and then it's just been literally running since the 9th, yesterday. Just green candle after green candle after green candle every 4 hours. This is the 4-hour chart. And again, I really think that this could be a winner. I do 100% say that with confidence. I do believe that this very well could be a winner. BOBATAMA, bringing you the first ever EVM compatible multi-chain ghost wallet. What in the world is a ghost wallet? Well, we're going to talk about that. But as you guys can see, the first thing you see on their website is they have their white paper and they have this here, a KYC verification. And I think for consumer protection, right, for investor protection, knowing that they have a KYC verification through the EnterFi network, that gives us some assurance, of course. And if we did have their contract audited and looked at, and things look pretty good. Now, remember, when it comes to DeFi, when it comes to crypto, it's not the safest place to keep your money. But the gains that you could potentially make in a market like this are high. So for me, always weigh your risk-benefit analysis. But BOBATAMA, guys, let's go ahead and dive right in. So they've already been featured on a whole slew of different big names. Benzinga, NASDAQ, Yahoo, Finance, News, and Entertainment. Everywhere, Bloomberg. Well, and now on the channel here. But you can see first and foremost their tokenomics. Pretty basic tokenomics. They have an operations tax, marketing, liquidity, and reflection. With the buy tax, it's right around, it looks like 12%. And for the sell tax, a little bit higher. Let's see, 9 plus 3, 12. You're looking at a 14% sales tax. Pretty reasonable in my opinion, especially with the marketing. This is what I'm a huge fan of. Projects that are looking to fund a marketing operation, that makes me very excited because that means they're going to do what they can to push the product out to get more people to have their eyes on the project. So again, really, really happy to see that. But my big thing with projects nowadays, what is the utility and what are you going to do that changes the face of crypto? What gap are you trying to bridge? Well, BobaMask. Not going to say much, but right now when it comes to wallets in DeFi, we don't have the best wallets out there. We don't have wallets where you could do instant swaps. We don't have, It's not easy. We have to go through Uniswap and other third parties. And I know, for example, Saitama, they're trying to bridge that gap with SideMask. It hasn't been working as it should. But again, I think with what BOBATAMA is trying to do, they're having 4 different utilities on their utility mask. So EVM compatible multi-chain NFT plus NFT storage. BOBATAMA will be developed on EVM, an Ethereum virtual machine. If you guys want to learn more about the EVM or what an Ethereum virtual machine is, if you go over to the Off the Chain channel, you can listen to what Nick said from the development team of BOBATAMA and BOBATAMA and hear the details on that. The software platform used to develop decentralized applications or dApps on Ethereum. It's just basically in a nutshell. BOBATAMA will also be a multi-chain wallet combined with NFT storage, which will allow investors to track cross-chain investments all in one platform. Number 2, the Ghost Wallet. One of the obstacles of cryptocurrency investors currently face is the lack of privacy, which is true. I could literally go over here, I could go down and see, looks like someone purchased 0.13 of Ethereum. Well, who made this purchase? Well, I want to see what's in his wallet. That's really how easy it is. It's very, very easy to go in and find people's transactions, which could make people uncomfortable. There's the whale tracking that is going on. Again, just wallet tracking. A lot of people do that in the space. Unfortunately, it just comes with the space. But BOBATAMA will utilize our Force Ghost system, which is our privacy-enhancing smart contract technology to allow for anonymous transactions. Invest privately and leave no trace like a ghost. I think that could be pretty big, especially for people who have much bigger wallets than maybe you and I, who have maybe hundreds of millions or whatever. There's apparently billion-dollar wallets out there. If you want to not keep a trail behind on, again, just a public trail behind, there's always going to be a blockchain trail, then the Ghost Wallet could be a utility that people use. And of course, as mentioned yesterday on the stream, you have to hold BOBATAMA tokens for the Ghost Wallet to be activated. As investments tracker plus investing monitor. And I think this is big for me as an investor. BOBATAMA will also allow multi-chain block wallet plus NFT storage utility one step further with a dApp investment monitoring suite. This system will allow investors to use the features such as a growth and decline tracker, a watch list, and alert notification system to fully take control of monitoring their investments. I would love that, especially if it can give me a notification like Coinbase does. Bitcoin is up 6.5% on the day, or BOBATAMA is up 89% on the day. Just giving me some sort of, notification or just easy way to access that info without having to go through and trying to find exactly what it is within an app. That's going to make my life easier. So I like that tracker for sure, and having a watch list with entry points. Say I want to get in on a certain price, give me an alert that the price has finally hit where I want to go, and then I'll go ahead and buy in. We don't really see that in DeFi. We don't. And last but not least, mobile plus Web3 compatibility. BOBATAMA will be both Web3 and Web3 plus mobile compatible. So you're going to be able to get an app on your phone. Our mission with the BOBATAMA is for the wallet to be a one-stop shop for all cross-chain investments. Relax a little, set an alert to receive notifications on mobile or Web3. You guys know I love it. They're delivering on the roadmap. Right now, they're of course in the initial marketing campaign and influencer partnerships like myself. And I'm really excited for this one, guys. I'm not here just temporarily. I do think that this is a token that could do really, really well, especially the fact that Matt, again, young fellow that's really doing some big things, doxing to his community immediately amongst the beginning of the launch of a brand new token. There's risk that comes with that, but he's someone who puts exactly his right foot forward and delivers on everything listed on the roadmap so far. And I think, again, if they continue doing this way, approaching that first centralized exchange listing, of course, that's going to bring more bullish sentiments around the BOBATAMA ecosystem, and in addition, bring more investors in. I'm excited for this one. Make sure you guys keep paying attention because we need a DeFi wallet out there that is fully functional. And the fact is, oftentimes cryptocurrencies right now that are launching off Ethereum have too many different utilities, making it very difficult to focus on your main one. So the fact that they're focusing all of their energy, all the different utilities are within one platform, which is the wallet. That's what makes me so bullish on this asset. I really do appreciate your guys' continued support. Make sure you check out the website. I'll have the links in the description below for everything. For the Off the Chain live stream, make sure you guys go over and subscribe if you want to be a part of giveaways and enjoy it. Also, make sure you guys joining the Discord, of course, because we do ETH giveaways typically on a Sunday basis. Every Sunday when we go live with the Discord members. And I always try to put them on the plays before, again, I make any type of public sentiments or statements. They're always the first to know because it's the easiest access for me to notify. Appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you guys check out the link to the description below for BOBATAMA. Let's see where this thing goes. Currently sitting at a $21 million market cap. Again, still early stage, but we'll see what happens. Appreciate you guys. Smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.